Yes, welcome back to the second session. That is 87 session. In this, we will go for collective section. But a small pending topic of the previous topic is this personal value list. In the F4, user specific personal values, we can, yes, this is, we can define it. Yes, it is, okay, we can define it. When you define it, you will always have deletion also. Both options, you can do it. Yes. Personal value list. Suppose, okay, let me log in another server because time taking. Any server is also okay for us. So if you look at SAP screen, go to VA01. Yes, simple. Create sales order. So sales order screen will display quickly. In this, lot of search helps you will find there for help. Right. So, okay. However, once it is displayed, I will take it to that personal value list topic, small topic, which is relevant to our search help for help settings. Okay, for help settings. So with that, almost we have covered the search help related maximum functions and maximum features. Then we will move on to the elementary search help topic is over. Then the next topic will be collective search. Okay, as the name suggests, it is it is a collection of more than one elementary search help. Search help means if you want to create collective search help, prior to that the prerequisite is at least, okay. Yes, if you want to go to collective search help demonstration, what is prerequisite? Least least two elementary search helps required. Okay, this is about your basic. Then, what is the advantage of collective search? It is helpful or useful to the user. To user for alternative search path. Okay, to perform user to perform alternative search path. That is nothing but yes. So what happens? Lot of information provided in the F4 help to user. Okay, in the F4 help to the user so that user can refer what is the advantage such that okay can refer the detailed information. Based on that user can select a value. Yes, finally user can select a value. User can select a value from the list, from the hit list, or user can enter a new value. But we are providing yes. Right. A lot of information. So collective search help is a yes, collective search help always it is displayed in several nothing but a kind of abstract control. Okay, it is a kind of so it is displayed in the abstract control. Is what each tab provides different information. That means different information and different each tab is binded with elementary section. Elementary search. So this is the overall collective means it's a kind of complex search help or extended search help. Okay, it is a kind of extension search help. It provides different alternative search path for the user. This is the overall. Okay, here we got some error. Okay, yes, here we got this F4 list. Like I was saying that if you want to select the order type F4, so you will find many order types, many order types. Sometimes once you choose this, you are going to the sort. Once you click on this, see that something sort will happen automatically. That is the behavior of the search help exit behavior. So if you go to this F4, in this F4, you got how many? 129 entries. So as a user, I have to refer all the 129, again choose the value or enter the value. It's okay, good. I don't want 129 to be displayed by my company. I want to go with only 4 5 orders. One is RRB order. Select RRB order. Click on insert into personal list. Second, okay, contract handling CH, insert into personal list. And next, second, go to some other credit memo request, insert into personal list. That's it. So if you go to a few other returns, that's it. So what did I do? I have created a personal list with 4 values. Place the cursor and click on insert personal, insert personal. That's all, close it. Now the personal list is ready. If you press F4, you have to observe this. The first system displays the values rather than 129, system is displaying the first 4 values only. Because the first priority system displays personal value list. If the personal value list is not available, it will display all the values. Okay. Yes, this is the personal value list. User specific only, user can do it. Okay, yes. This is your okay. I want to delete because you cannot add it here. If you want to go to the see you can want to choose, you can choose continuously as usual. Otherwise, you want to go to the next level, again continue, you will get the normal old all values at it. But again, first priority is given to the personal value list. If you want, I want to remove returns from personal value list. Place the cursor, click on delete. Delete from personal list. If you delete now, press F4, you will find only the 3 values here. You will find the 3 values. Okay, continue. And okay, this is about your overall. Okay, yes, clear. So this is if finally, if you don't want it, delete all the personal list. Yes, delete. All are deleted, deleted, deleted. Then go back. If you press F4, normal, even you have to delete this also. Yes, then you will get all the values back. So this is one of the setting for the user specific personal settings can be done. So again, these personal values related, there is a one setting is settings F4 help. Yes. So system default personal value list is not. If you say not display personal list automatically. So this checkbox you can activate so that what happens? The personal value list will display. That if the checkbox is not activated, they display wide. Then the value directly if only one hit. That is the value can be selected by double click through. Generally, we will go with we have to double click on that. But if this is selected, one click through, you can return the value from hit list to back to the screen field. This is about F4 help user specific settings. Okay, yes. F4 help user specific settings. Right? That's about your overall values. Then let's come back to the this was the pending topic which we covered the personal value list. You can try out any questions. We will discuss this later. Then we are into the collective search. So I will demonstrate one collective search help. Yes, if you go to SAP back search help, okay, F4 help, F4 help, continue, continue to go with the COM. This is a collective search help. Double click on this. Okay. If not search help, go to information system, go to search help. I want only the collective search help. Continue. So system displays only the collective search help. So collective search help can be displayed like this. So you can see the title, left top collective search help, it is active. This is the collective search help. Collective search help short description. Okay. There are three tabs are there. First attributes tab, who modified, when modified, which package, which language. Under definition, we have to combine the search help parameters from both elementary search help. Then go to the include search help. So under include search help, you can include the search help and parameters and it can be done. So this is your simple collective search help scenario. But you might not understand this collective this way. I will take you to one example, then you will come to know. Suppose if you want, you can go to the yes, we will go to this screen here. I can show you one collective search help example. First, if I go to MM01, MM01 is about material creation, material master creation. In case of material master, okay, yes, press F4 here. Press F4. This is a collective search help. It's taking longer time. You have to see. So the material, yes, if you look at here, mm, materials by description, first tab. Second tab, material by old material. The third tab is material by bill of material. Fourth tab, material by CAD system, material by sales material, material by category, material by class, material by group, material by EAN, material by task list. Yes, so many material. Supplying area wise, etc. So if you want to see so many tabs are there. This each tab, yes, if you look at here, yes, these are all the ways. So ultimately, what is the user's role? User need to type in new material or user need to take on existing material. That's to perform that we are giving a extended help to the user. extended F4 help to the user. So that user can refer, user can go through the different combination through user can refer the values. Finally, user can choose a value also. Okay, that's the overall. Like if you go to material by description result, you will get one type of. Suppose if I take material by description, continue. What happens in this F4? You will get all the materials and its language and description. That's it. If you go to the yes next material by bill of material, continue. Yes, continue. You will find alternative BOM, bill of material. So if you go back to the material by material type, yes, this is material type. Even I can restrict the material type for finished goods. Restriction dialog box is this. By default value language is coming English. This is default value. Default 500 hit list. This is default value. So if you click on further, only the materials belong to the finished goods. All finished materials will be displayed here. Material type. So if you go back for again. Material type. If I keep it as blank and continue, what will happen? All material types are displayed here. All material types. ROH for raw material, finished goods, etc. Okay, this is about your overall. Okay, yes, done. Uh, like uh, you will get ultimately each tab provides materials information only, but different information. So that yes, how this was created. If you go to this F1 help, F1 help technical settings. Okay, you will find go to the technical information. This is the data element. RMMG1 Matter is the field. Okay, RMMG1 Matter. If you go to the RMMG1 screen field RMMG1 Matter, you will find the yes. This is your RMMG1 Matter. You go to Entry Help and Check tab. You will come to know the Search Help reason. Search Help reason. Yes, this is your explicit search help is attached to the field. Okay, this is your Mint 1, see C1, H1. Okay, different things. So, like, what is the search help? Is search help name is Mint 1. So, if you double click it, okay, double click it, it will take you to the this is your Mint 1. So, Mint 1 is the search help exit, search help, collective search help. Yes, example for your example sake. Okay, yes, Mint 1 is the collective search help. Mint 1 is the collective search help assigned to material input field. Input field. Okay, this is what we are doing. So, like if you go to this, you click on that Mint 1 collective 1, open it, display mode. Yes, this is a collective search. So now, yes, okay, which package and all definition. These are all the field search help parameter field. Import, export data element and default values are coming from them. Search help exit is also implemented at a elementary and collective search help level. Then go to the include search help. So include search helps are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, parameter assignment. So if you look at this way, this is again example for append search help. because here in the collective search help, you will find a append search help. That is, append is nothing but even SAP created, SAP enhanced. Okay, even SAP created, we can also enhance by using the built-in append search help is also possible. Just like a append view, append table, similarly append search help. But this option is available at a collective level. We can add, okay, one more tab with our extended. So now if you look at collective search help knowledge, yes, I can take you to one example, then you will come to know the exact understanding. So we will create one collective search help in front of you. Yes. So demonstration first, later remaining theory. So demonstration with a requirement. Okay. What is the requirement? Is creating collective search help. Okay, search help with two elementary search help. Okay. The purpose is to display this, to display hmm, to display material information. This is the overall. But this uh, okay, this collective search help consists of to minimum two elementary search helps. Yes. Next, okay, we will try to understand. Yes, first elementary search help provides by material by plant. Second search help, that is second second elementary search help, second elementary search help provides help provides material by description. This is the yes fundamental topic. So for that, if you want to proceed, how you will get the values, material by description, material per plant. So we will come in a requirement based, because here this is a screen, right? This is a screen field. Okay. Yes. There is a screen field called as material field. So this is your screen screen field called as material. So for material field, yes, input field against there is a one input field. This is the input field. So when user press F4 on this particular field, when user press F4 on this particular field, what will happen is this. Okay. Yes. Now you will get two types of values. That is nothing but yes, one tab. Okay, two tabs you will get it. Yes, two tabs, two types of information. One tab, yes. So this is your, in fact, type of yes. This is your. If you go to so two tabs. So two tabs. First tab is so material by description. Is the first tab. Second tab is material by print. You want, you can go with material by. One more thing is material by material type, material category, etc. You can extend it. So I can take you to the basic example only. This is the requirement. So now, for that, what is required? What is required? First in SC11, okay, in SC11, first we have to require a collective search help is required. Yes or no? This collective search help to be created, and this collective search help to be attached. This collective search help to be attached to this particular screen field. Yes, it should be this screen field like this. So then that's what the result is this. Okay, all the interconnect. But this collective section, okay. So now collective, this is little detailed demo. Try to understand it. So we have created one Z. Just assume that Z AVK underscore collective search help, something like that. But this search help, it should combined, it should be added with two elementary search help. Yes, this is your Z AVK underscore, okay, yes, search help 1, okay, search help 1, as well as this is your search help Z AVK underscore search help 2. Two elementary search help. These two elementary search helps, we are going to combine it into this collective search help. That's what the meaning is. Okay, right, collective search. Next, go to the elementary search help. This elementary search help can be created on help views. So we will go to ZAVK underscore help view 1. Okay, we are creating. This is your ZAVK underscore help view 2. That is, this collective search help is created based on this help view. This collective search help is created based on this, right? This is your next help view. Help view creation, or else vice versa. Help view through this help view is used in the this one. So now we have the database here, original tables. Original, this is the database. In the database, we have three tables. It's three different tables. Like suppose if you go to first base table is Mara table, where all the materials are there. And MAKT is there. Mara, Marcy, MARC, Marcy plant. MAKT is the description. MAKT is the description. As we know that in the underlying tables, Mara is connected with Marcy, and Mara is connected with MAKT also. Both these tables are connected in the underlying. Now go to the help view. Go to the help view. In help view, what we have to do is first help view implements left outer join, right? In this help view, we are going to use the left side table because first tab should be material by description. Suppose let's take description. Second is plant. It's okay. So first description means first we will start with MAKT MAKT table, and the next right side is Mara table. These two tables, we are going to combine it under this help view. Under this help view, we are going to combine these two. Okay. If you come to this one, here, this is the purpose of material by plant. So plants are stored in Marcy table. Marcy is left side table, Mara is the right side table. Marcy and Mar both. Okay, yes. Now, okay, this is your help view. This is your okay done. Because as we know that plants are stored in Marcy, descriptions are stored in MAKT. So this is your approach. Now we will try to create. So what are the steps? First, if you want to create this, you want to go to the steps, first prerequisite steps. You will do like this. So first create, okay, help views. Help views, okay, create two help views. Create two help views separately. This is your okay and activate it. First step is that. Second, create two elementary search helps. Elementary search helps using help views and activate. Okay, yes. So you have to do this. Okay, yes. Help. Next, finally, once your elementary search helps are done, then finally, what next? Create collective collective search helps. Create a collective search help and combine both elementary. These are all the steps we have to go in. So first, help view creation. So I will demonstrate quickly. First, we will create one help view. What is my help view? Z AVK underscore H view 1. Help view creation using MAKT and Mara tables. Okay, Mara tables. But help view steps not required because that's already known to you. Quickly, I will do it. Help view creation steps. So SC11, okay, yes. If we go to the help view first, ZAVK underscore help view 1. Help view 1, click on create. Then this is your help view. So now this is help view based on what? Like help view using material, and we will go with the description first because as per our plan, material. So because you try to understand first, we will take MAKT, enter MAKT, select the table, click on relationship. You will get Mara, MAKT to Mara. This is selected because these internal steps I am not writing. You go to this first because already you are familiar with help view steps. So first table is MAKT. There are three key fields are already selected. You can see it. Then go to the fourth field. Sorry, second table, Mara. Two key fields which are already selected. So cancel it. So key fields, key field selection is over. Now what next? If you go to the table fields, again MAKT, non-key fields now. MAKTX, MAKTC. Non-key fields are added. Then go to the table fields. Now right side table Mara. Here I am going to add ERSDA, ER name, LEADA, AE name, 4 fields. So with this, our help view is over. It is very simple and quick, right? Because help view is used in search help, I said, but I have not demonstrated. This is the demonstration. It is a kind of collective search help demonstration as a part of that help view usage also. Yes, because help view, it is, you cannot see the content, you cannot maintain table generator, all those stuff. It is only used for, like we will see now, because since yes, I will keep like this. Can I keep this way? Mm, mm, it's a remote system, right? Okay. However, because I want to write this fields information here like this. First, I want to write which field, hmm, which field. First, take MAKT fields. Whatever I added here, MAKT fields. So in MAKT, what is there? MANDT. First field is MANDT. Then Matner, because I want to write MAKT. Yes, look at second MAD, SPRAS and MAKTX, MAKT. SPRAS, MAKTX, MAKTZ. These are all the fields from MAKT because I am giving as a specification. I am following the same naming convention also to avoid confusion. Right. Next, Mara. In Mara, second one, ERSD, ER name, LEAD, AE name. So I am writing here ERSDA, ERNAM, LAEDA, right? LAEDA, that is modified date. LAEDA, LAEDA, and one more is AENAM, AENAM. That's it. So that means you, yes, fields written, help view written, then we will go to the further level. So we have done the help view, you keep it separate. Keep it separate. Go back to the second one. Help view 2. Click on create. Yes, help view. So this is your help view. mm, Help view using Marcy and Mara Mara tables. Right. First left side table Marcy, continue. Yes, continue Marcy relationships. You will get mm, you will get Marcy with Mara. This is already known to you. System is pointing here. You take this first one. You take this matter through inner join connected. This is already known example. Yes, first we have to check first left side table key fields. Yes, all the three MANDT Matner works already selected. Formally cross verification of the additional keys from right side table. Only two, which is already selected. No need of additional. Then move on to the non-key field selection from RC. Non-key fields from left side table. Sorry, like PStat maintenance status, purchasing group EKGRP, and what else we can take it is kind of MRP type or procurement type. Either way, you can take it any fields. Okay, yes, continue. So I have added 4 fields from Marcin and the remaining Mara. You go to here. These 4 fields are already added. We'll go with MTRT material type, material industry sector, material group, base unit of measurement. If you want it also, you can take it. These things are enough. 4 fields, not more than that. So because I have to prepare specification, if you want to practice also, you can make use of this specification. Yes, because now we will write the fields here. First Marcy fields. Go to here, Marcy fields. From Marcy, MANDT Matner, MANDT Matner. Next, come here, works and PStat. Peace works and PStat. Next, okay, EKGRP DISSM. EKGRP DISMM. Yes. Next, almost BESKZ. BESKZ. These are all the fields from Marcy. Then we'll go to this side, Mara fields. What are the fields from Mara? First, MTRT, MBRSH. Yes, MTART, MBRSH, industry sector, MATKL and MINS. MATKL and MEINS. That's it. So this is your specification. Overall, you go with bottom up. But I came in the reverse order. So this is your overall no duplicates. But math and MAND to only duplicate. That's okay. This view is different. So I'm going to. So two help views are ready, but I cannot see the testing because only activated. Now you go back to the elementary search help. The elementary search help Z AVK underscore help. Sorry, SHLP1. You have to go with this help view 1. Click on create. Elementary search help. These steps also I don't type it because it's all here I'm writing by description because this short description is going to reflect on that. So go to selection method could be help view. What is my help view name? AVK underscore H view 1. This is my, yes, that's why I am following the same nomenclature to avoid confusion. This is the help view. This help view exists. Yes, you exist or not, you can check it. Yes. This is help view is exist available. Because that's why I'm using here. So in this help view, I'm going to use it. Now this screen. So these options, Mapner, then SPRS, then MAKTX, MAKTZ. You have to see the right side. You are getting the data elements automatically. ERSDA, then ERNAM, LAEDA. Then after we have AENAM. Total 8 fields. So select import export checkboxes for all. Yes. Okay. Yes. Now, basic elementary search help creation part. Yes. Go with 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 list position, search position. Yes. Okay. 6 and 6, 7 and 7. This explanation also given. Why are we giving this? That's all. Your elementary search help is ready. If you want a value restriction, you keep value restriction dialog box. Otherwise, we will do that later. First, let us display first. Okay. Search help is ready. Elementary search help. If you have a feed, just press F4. This is what our F4 help. There is a error in the Mara table. Okay, the base table is not active. There is a error in the Mara is partly active. Some error is there. It's okay, no problem. The testing might give error. Not an issue. I will go to create a second search help. Okay, second search help we will create it. Second search help created one help view two. So click on create elementary search help. Click on elementary search help. So this is your material by plant because you want second one, right? So go to this elementary ZAVK underscore help view two. It's no confusion. Click. You can cross check it. Yes, help view two. This is already there. So you make use of this. Maker and works, maker and works. Then after we start, then next. Okay, EKGRP, okay, PSTAT and EKGRP DIS system. Next, if you go to the VEKZ, because as it is, what next? MTRT, next MBRSH, go back MATKL, next we have MBIN. So select import export checkbox, type 1 and 1. Import export checkbox 2 and 2. Yes, 3 in position 3 is position 3. Now for that fourth position, this is fifth position. This is sixth position. Next seventh position. Next eighth position. Next ninth. Then 10. Okay, yes. This is your 10. So go back. Therefore, done. It is activated. Few we will try by paint. Before hit paint, whether you are getting a 4 help or not. So this is still error, SQL error, because the basic Mara is not active. That is the reason it is getting not a issue. So if I go back where we are, if you go with bottom tables, these tables I have not created because I am using the built-in tables and relationship done by SAP. So I started from help view simply. One help view on MAKT Mara, another help view on Marcy and Mara. Then based on help view, I used this search help one. Based on this help view, I used search help two. Two search helps are ready now. Then the new demonstration starts for you. That is actually now we have to write down the steps. What is collective search help? Okay, this is my collective search help steps. Okay, I will combine this both elementary search help into this collective search. So go back. So yes. So now is AVQ underscore H view 1 view 2 creation using Marcy and Mara tables. Right? That is your first step, second step, third step. Yes, create what is that? Elementary skill help one creation using ZAVK underscore HView1. Next second ZAVK underscore circle 2 creation using ZAVK underscore HView2. Right? So you have to these two steps. Four steps are over. Now actually the last step collective search help. Okay, search help steps. This we will write it. Same. Okay, same normally execute T code S11 because why I'm writing all the steps because you in the explain in the interview I have to explain this way. S11 choose a search help radio button. Now specify search help name. Name begins with YRZ. Then click on create. The two search help means specify collective search help. Collective search help name begins with YRZ. Click on create. Select choose collective collective search help and continue. Collective search help and continue. That's it. Now we will go for so G collective search help. Click on create collective search help. Now you can see the specify. This is okay. So simply I am writing material information search help. Okay. So search help exit is so now it comes to you have to go to the definition tab. In this definition tab, we have to add the fields. So in this definition tab, I need to add the fields here like this. This is the way I have to add it here because we can stretch this in this. Here we have this is the dictionary. Okay, yes. Now, so under collective search, why I added here also you will come to know. First, I need to add main DT, import export main DT, first field. Second, no default value. Matner, okay, Matner and import export Matner. Next, SPRAS, import export SPRAS. Then MAKTX, import export MAKTX. Okay, what next? MAKTZ, import export MAKTZ. So next, ERSTA, import export ERSTA. That is, I am adding fields from both elementary section. ERNAM. So ER. Next, LAEDA, import export LAEDA. Then go to next, AENAM. This is the proposal coming by default here. AENAM. Import export AENAM. Yes, come to next. Here, so almost by this first elementary section. Now come to the second circle. Main duty not required, main duty required. We go to the works. So works import export, works underscore D is the data element. After that, pstat. So this is your pstat import export pstat underscore D. Then next you have EKGRP import export EKGRP. Next DISM import export DIS. Next PESKZ import export PESKZ. Next We have to go to MTART, MTA, next MBRSH, import export MBRSH, next MATKL, import export MATKL, next MEINS, import export MEINS. So this is what overall means. Okay, so you have to receive section. So the definition is over. So one statement I will write it. So under definition tab, okay, both elementary sections. Okay, actually these fields are nothing but as a search help parameters. In this context, it may be table field, but in this context, it is acting like a search help parameter. Yes, but make sure no duplicates. Duplicate uh, search help parameters. You should not use it. Next, we will go to the include search help. Include search help, we have to add GAVK underscore help one. This material by description. GAVK underscore search help two. Material by pen. So include, yes. Next, what next? In the include search help tab, include our both elementary search helps. Right. Next, finally, select each elementary search help. And the next one, click on parameter assignment. This one, click on parameter assignment. Your search help has undefined parameter assignment. You want the system to propose. This is, you have to understand this. Yes, click on yes, no problem. So if you observe it, actually in the definition tab, whatever I typed in, right side collective section. So these are all, actually it was a original table field, element is a self, element is the table. This is the flow. Because these collective search help fields are going to filled by the this elementary search help one. So this proposal, no need to click on proposal, already proposed happens. Simply click on copy. Repeat the same for the second one, parameter assignment. Yes, search help for AVK help is as undefined parameter. Do you want the system to propose? Yes. The remaining things, collective search help values will get from second search help. This automatic proposal happened. See, overall, there are suppose 20 fields are there in the collective. First 10 values coming from first elementary search help, next second 10 is coming from second search help. Okay, these steps you have to do it. So click on select each elementary search help. Click on parameter assignment button. Parameter assignment button. That's it. Now, okay, click on yes. Parameter assignment. Click on copy. This is the approach you have to do it. Okay, both are completed. Done. Now finally you can go for save check in collective section. Then we can test the collective section. Yes, this is the way you can test it. So if I go with the material, yes, that might be that will give dump because the base table is I have not checked the basic table is C11 because see in SC11 actually we have to check the prerequisite we forgot it because somebody due to this append structure they have see MAKT is active it's okay MARC is partly active because of the append structure I need to delete this something due to why it is partly active we need to check the reason and we have to reset back Mara also partly active. So if it is partly active, you cannot use it in the either anywhere. I told you this because this is another example, another kind of learning. So I can demonstrate by resetting these two tables as fully active. We can test the final collective search help demo. That's what about your finally activate, finally save, check, activate, and test. That's it. Just on F4, you notice the notice each elementary is okay. Elementary search help is displayed in each tab, separate tab, separate. That is a kind of tab strip control. Finally, you will get the result as like this. If you go to this is collective, you can test it, you will get this feeling, or you go and attach to the field also. Yes, once you press F4, first tab is material by description, second tab is material by plan. Actually, the screen field, when you press F4, it checks the collective section. Collective in turn goes to the elementary. Elementary, we help you to the table. Table to the, yes, it will bring the data. Material with description data, it will display material by description data here. Mara and MAKT details. If you go to the second tab, material by plant. Material with Marci details are displayed. This is a small demo. Rest will continue tomorrow and we'll revise the things. Okay, thank you.